everyone, welcome again. Today I'm gonna share what's inside my minimal travel kit. So let's see what I carry in my travel kit. So I carry everything of my travel essentials in this chotu sa pouch. So this is a handmade crochet pouch, and this is how the pouch looks like from front and back. And now let's open the bag and let's see what's inside it. So the very first thing I carry with me is my toothbrush and my tongue cleaner. Whenever we go somewhere, we have to stay there for some days, and in that case, we need our dental care essential. For that reason, I carry this with me. And obviously, if I am carrying my toothbrush, I have to carry a toothpaste with me. So I always carry a mini tube of toothpaste. Now comes some skincare. So first thing is this face wash. This is from Simple Refreshing Face Wash, and this is a mini tube. I got this from Smitten. And next is this moisturizer from Simple Hydrating Gel Cream. This is also a mini tube. And lastly, this is a sunscreen from Plum Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen Gel, and this is SPF 35 PA triple plus. And now my lip balm, and this is from Wadi Herbals in the strawberry flavor. And next thing is my concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. Next is my blush, and this is from Inside, and this is in the shade 05 Strawberry Drip. Let me show you its swatch, and this is how the color looks like. Next is my lipstick, and this is from Blue Heaven Hyperstay range, and this is in the shade 11. I carry this particular shade most of the time, so I always carry this shade in my travel kit. Let me show you its swatch, and this is how the color looks like. Next thing is my compact, and this is from Faces Canada in the shade Ivory 01. And lastly, I carry a chotu sa comb with me. So that's all I carry in my travel kit.